You are watching Bitbns News.
Today's headlines: Avalanche defies market crash to replace Dogecoin as top 10 cryptocurrency. Indian businesses ride crypto wave despite uncertain regulatory framework. Nearly one-third of hedge fund managers plan to invest in crypto. Ernst and Young. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin see red as their market cap shrinks. Panther Protocol partners with Songbird. Flare's Canary network to accelerate DeFi adoption. Shiba Inu team warns SHIB investors to beware of fake Telegram accounts. Shiba Inu falls below previous all-time high as meme tokens struggle. Kenya's central bank governor on CBDC. It's about getting it right rather than being the first. Avalanche cryptocurrency AVAX is now one of the 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, overtaking popular meme tokens Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in defiance of a market-wide crash that wiped hundreds of billions in value and saw prices of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether plummet from near record highs. AVAX was trading at around $134 on Monday morning, a jump of around 40% over the past week, according to CoinGecko. The rally took AVAX market cap to just under $30 billion, marginally overtaking Dogecoin as the 10th most valuable cryptocurrency. While the Indian administration is making an attempt to onboard policymakers for a progressive crypto law, recent reports also suggest otherwise, with watchdogs like the central bank maintaining a cautious stance on the sector. India might allow only pre-approved tokens to trade. Recently, Swadeshi Jagran Manch, a political organization in the country, also suggested that government to ensure crypto and mining data stay on domestic servers. Despite the current uncertainty in the regulatory environment, new Indian businesses are betting big on the asset class. As per the data by Traxon, India has around 400 crypto startups, including 12 NFT players, out of which close to 100 crypto-related businesses were born in 2021 alone. Pardon the oxymoron, but traditional alternative investors are slowly warming to cryptocurrencies, according to a new study out today from Big Four accounting firm Ernst and Young. 31% of hedge fund managers, 24% of alternative investors, and 13% of private equity managers said they plan to add crypto to their portfolios in the next 1 to 2 years. Managers of the largest firms' hedge funds, overseeing more than $10 billion, or investors with $2 billion to $10 billion, were most likely to be planning to get into crypto, according to study. Meme coins Shiba Inu and Dogecoin took a major hit in the last few days after the market cap of both cryptocurrencies dropped below $30 billion. Meme-based cryptocurrencies Shiba Inu and Dogecoin suffered a major hit in the last few days after the market cap of both tokens dropped below $30 billion. The latest dip means that Doge and SHIB are no longer among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Not just these two coins, the entire cryptocurrency market saw a major correction during the last week. Shiba Inu lost approximately 6% of its value in the 24 hours. Today, Panther Protocol has announced that its partnership Flare will be expanded into the Flare's Canary network Songbird. Flare is the world's first Turing-complete federated Byzantine agreement network, and Panther is building the interoperable privacy layer DeFi and Web3, aiming to make privacy a standard, not an afterthought. Flare started its mission to unlock the value inherent in the 65% of blockchains that do not have native smart contracts by bringing, for the first time, true trustless usage of these tokens with scalable smart contracts and integrating Ethereum's virtual machine in a scalable way. Despite being released last year, the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer became a star in 2021 and especially in the past few months by launching a decentralized exchange and an NFT collection. The meme coin grabbed the attention of retail investors, which rushed to it with the promise of quick and massive gains. Such price increases indeed came as SHIB became arguably the best performer of 2021 with an ROI of 100 million% before retracing slightly. Somewhat expectedly though, such a surge has put Shiba Inu in the eyesight of scammers, at least according to the team behind the project. Shiba Inu could break out from a short-term diagonal resistance, but the longer-term outlook still seems to be bearish. SHIB has been decreasing since October 28 when it reached an all-time high of $0.000088. So far, it has reached a low of $0.000405, doing so on November 18. More importantly, the decrease caused a breakdown below the $0.000048 horizontal area. Previously, SHIB had bounced above it on November 4. After breaking down, SHIB validated it as resistance on November 19. The Central Bank of Kenya Governor Patrick Njoroge has said his institution is currently exploring the use of central bank digital currencies to settle cross-border payments. Njoroge, however, insists the bank's priority is getting it right rather than being the first. These remarks by the CBK governor came a few weeks after the Central Bank of Nigeria became the first country in Africa to launch a CBDC. Some 3 weeks after launch, the CBN reported that nearly 500,000 wallets were downloaded and e-Naira transactions worth $150,000 were recorded too.